Today we're making a jerk brown stew chicken. I have some legs and thighs washed and clean. We're going to season it with some garlic, some green seasoning. The green seasoning I'm using is the Walker's Wood Blend green seasoning. I'm also adding some jerk seasoning. You can also use a wet or a dry jerk marinade. I'm actually using both for this recipe. I'm going to add some of the Spice Maker Reggae Blend seasoning, some Badia Complete seasoning, and half a pack of this Tropical Sazon seasoning. And the veggies I'm going to be using some onions, some green onions, and some bell peppers, and a scotch bonnet. Now we're going to add a little touch of browning and some pimento seeds. And we're going to mix that up good, and then we're going to start adding our veggies. Once we add our veggies, we're going to mix it up one more time and let that marinate. I also added some thyme. Now what we're going to do is after chicken's done marinating, we're going to brown it on each side, maybe 2 to 3 minutes each side. And then we're going to take it out the pot. And then we're going to go ahead and throw back in our veggies, add a little bit of water, and let that cook down for a few minutes. Then we're going to add some ketchup and some chicken bouillon. We're going to give that a good mix in the pot, and then we're going to cover it. Once your chicken is nice and tender,